Welcome back, guys. I'm out in the yard. My brother doing some work, cleaning up for grandma that she come back. See, he popping up all these stuff, these twigs and all this stuff. Yeah, it's kind of a hot day. I got no shirt on, not trying to show off. Pretty hot day, but it's good though. Yeah, he over there working hard, chopping all this stuff. So my plant that I got right here. Got this plant from out the ground. Just look what he's doing over there. He's chopping. You see that? Yes. Let's go have a tree there, beer, man. No, the blossom. Should have a trap here. Hey, watch the courage plant when you reach it, yeah? Wait, that's it. Careful that. Yeah. Place was supposed to farm it. So I'm supposed to have planted this all the way, all the while. So yeah, but I have this question to ask you. So you're supposed to clean up the land, right? And get some fertilizer. You understand? So you can plant some tomato, right? How much for a bag of fertilizer? Oh, okay, so you have different types? Okay. So you want to get a big bag of fertilizer, right? Big bag. You think a big bag can do the how much can a big bag do? 100 pounds. So you get one of that, right? I mean, and the main problem though is for water. You gotta get water. But are you gonna grass your scallion bed? Okay. Yeah, so it's best when you grass it, right? That's a grass when you put grass between your scallion bed. It's between the scallion. I'm sorry, not the scallion. Tomato. Do you grass? Okay, so you grass the tomatoes. Okay, so when you grass it now, it make the root cooler. I know it look kind of pretty, but okay, so the grass cannot keep on the root cool. Okay, so that was the main reason why they do that. Okay. Now scallion take about what 6 months, 6 weeks. Yeah. But yeah, the only thing with scallion though, man, is a hit or miss. If it's a good market, you know, then you catch it. Eh? For real. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just go weed it, yeah. Okay. So this thing right here, folks, is a famous thing. It's called cold witch. This could scratch the daylight out of you. It's like, I call it poison ivy. It's right here. Very similar to poison ivy. It's a dangerous plant, man. You see it? Yeah, it scratch you till from morning till night. Worse if you touch your private part, you say hallelujah. That ain't no joke, man. But yeah, it's a little bit, you know, watch my brother work in the countryside. I'm gonna give him a hand tomorrow. Just pop up some stuff for when grandma comes. She got stuff to do. She got place. You know, it's clean up for her to do her farming. Yeah, she's in America right now. She'll be back home pretty soon. That's what I know. But yeah, but this is what it is in the countryside. You know, just
Johnny Baptist.
yo. It's my cousin Jan at work. That's a crazy person, boy. Funny as hell, man. Yeah, man. All right, folks. So I'll meet you guys up with some more videos in the bush. All right. Dave said, tell them look more.
Yeah.
Look on them and tell them look more, man. Flash them my shit. No, video, man. Just flashing my shit. So look more.
A little more.
All right, y'all. See y'all later. Hey, yo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? My Jamaican life. Keep it going. Keep it flowing. All right.